An ever-changing world needs an ever-changing software solution. That's why we are here. We are ManWinWin Software, where 4 decades of knowledge meet innovation to create a state-of-the-art maintenance software. This brings you cost savings, reduced equipment downtime, and increased teams' productivity. And now, even better and smarter. ManWinWin 7 is our latest version, with a brand new design and a native app for Android and iOS. And for the first time, a smart assistant. Meet Winston. We went over and beyond to bring AI and real-time alerts, insights, and forecasts into our software. Save the date for the ManWinWin 7 launch, 21st December 2022, and join the most experienced company in the world in CMMS.